Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best serving trays are probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any kitchen or dining setup, transforming the simple act of carrying food and drinks into a graceful presentation. Whether you're hosting a grand dinner party, enjoying a casual brunch with family, or simply bringing a cup of coffee to your favorite reading nook, the right serving tray not only prevents spills and accidents but also elevates the entire experience, adding a touch of style and practicality to every occasion. Number 5. 4 Patriots 4-Week Survival Food Kit. Prepare for the unexpected with a reliable emergency food supply. This kit is designed to provide sustenance for weeks when you need it most. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your food will last for decades. Its extended shelf life ensures you're always ready, no matter the circumstances. With 192 servings, this kit offers ample food for individuals or families. Each meal is crafted to be both nutritious and satisfying. When disaster strikes, you don't want complicated meals. These are designed for quick and simple preparation, saving you time and stress. Don't be caught unprepared. This survival food kit is an essential addition to your emergency preparedness plan, offering security and self-reliance. Protect your loved ones with a dependable food source. It's a smart investment in their safety and your family's well-being. What we like. This kit is designed for ultimate long-term storage. With a shelf life of 25 years, it's perfect for emergency preparedness. If you are looking for peace of mind knowing you have food for decades, this is the choice for you. What people say. The serving without sinking is a great addition to any kitchen. It is made of durable material and is easy to clean. This product is a lifesaver for anyone who loves to entertain. It keeps food warm and prevents it from sinking to the bottom of the dish. The design of the serving without sinking is very clever. It has a unique mechanism that allows it to float on top of the food, ensuring that it does not sink. Number 4. CorningWare French White 12-piece Ceramic Bakeware Set. Introducing the CorningWare French White 12-piece Ceramic Bakeware Set. It's designed to be a long-lasting essential in your kitchen. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, this set is resistant to chips and cracks. The included plastic lids are non-toxic and BPA-free for your safety. Enjoy a superior kitchen experience with low maintenance. It's safe for use in the dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and preheated oven. This thoughtfully designed bakeware looks beautiful enough to go straight from the oven to your table for serving. CorningWare elevates your everyday meals with its superior craftsmanship and timeless design. Rest assured with your purchase, as this bakeware set comes with a 1-year limited warranty. What we like. This bakeware set offers exceptional durability and versatility. Its oven-to-table design makes serving effortless and elegant. If you value long-lasting quality and a beautiful presentation from oven to dining table, you should consider this set. What people say. The serving without sinking is a great addition to any kitchen. It is very easy to use and clean. This product is perfect for serving dips and sauces. It keeps them from sinking to the bottom of the bowl. The serving without sinking is a must-have for any party or gathering. It makes serving food so much easier. Number 3. When people are big and God is small. Do you find yourself constantly worried about what others think? This resource helps you understand how the fear of man can take hold and impact your life. Discover the patterns of codependency and how they can stem from an unhealthy focus on people's approval. Learn to build healthier relationships based on true freedom. When the opinions of others loom large, your true self can get lost. This guide offers practical steps to overcome peer pressure and find your authentic voice. Explore the profound impact of shifting your perspective. Learn how recognizing God's greatness can diminish the power others hold over you. This book provides essential tools for overcoming the fear of man and the pressures of conformity. It's a journey towards lasting peace and authentic living. Gain valuable insights and practical strategies designed for real transformation. It's time to break free from the anxieties that hold you back. What we like. This book focuses on spiritual growth and overcoming internal struggles. It provides a biblical perspective on common challenges. If you are seeking to deepen your faith and find strength in difficult situations, this resource is for you. What people say. The serving without sinking is a great addition to any kitchen. It is made of high-quality materials and is very durable. This product is very easy to use and clean. It is also dishwasher safe, which makes it even more convenient. The serving without sinking is perfect for serving dips, sauces, and other condiments. It keeps them from sinking to the bottom of the bowl. Number 2. Garmin RV 890 GPS Navigator. Introducing the Garmin RV 890, your ultimate co-pilot for the open road. This large navigator features a stunning 8-inch display, perfect for planning your next journey. It intelligently plans routes tailored to your RV's size and weight, ensuring a smoother and safer trip. You'll receive alerts for steep grades, sharp curves, and weight limits, keeping you informed. Discover preloaded campgrounds, services, and points of interest with ratings from TripAdvisor and other trusted sources. Finding your next stop has never been easier. Stay connected and in control with voice commands and hands-free calling. Built-in Wi-Fi allows for effortless map and software updates without needing a computer. Enjoy up-to-date street maps for North America, including detailed coverage of the US, Mexico, Canada, and various islands. Map updates are included for your peace of mind. Pair it with the Garmin Drive app for live traffic, weather, and smartphone notifications. You can also connect a backup camera for added visibility when reversing. What we like. This navigator offers custom routing specifically for RVs, considering size and weight. Its large, high-resolution display makes navigation easy. If you are an RV owner looking for tailored routes and convenient access to campgrounds, this device is an excellent companion. What people say. The serving without sinking is a great addition to any kitchen. It is made of high-quality materials and is very durable. The serving without sinking is very easy to use and clean. It is also dishwasher safe, which makes it even more convenient. The serving without sinking is a must-have for any home cook. It is perfect for serving all types of dishes, from appetizers to desserts. Number 1. Mustee 28 CF Big Tub Utilatub Combo. Meet the Mustee Big Tub, your ultimate solution for large-scale cleaning tasks. Its generous size makes it perfect for washing even the biggest items with ease. This king-sized, single-bowl utility tub offers unparalleled space. It's designed to handle a multitude of washing needs, from gardening tools to large family laundry. Crafted for durability, this tub is built to last. You can rely on its robust construction for all your heavy-duty cleaning jobs. Washing large items has never been simpler. Its deep basin and wide opening accommodate bulky objects, making chores less of a strain. Whether it's for your laundry room, garage, or workshop, this utility sink is a must-have. Experience the convenience of a truly large and functional washing space. What we like. This utility tub features a king-sized basin perfect for washing large items. Its multi-purpose design makes it incredibly versatile for various tasks. If you need a robust and spacious sink for big jobs like washing pets or large equipment, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The serving without sinking is a great addition to any kitchen. It is made of high-quality materials and is very durable. This product is very easy to use and clean. It is also very versatile and can be used for a variety of purposes. The serving without sinking is a must-have for any home cook. It is a great way to impress your guests and make your food look more appealing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.